Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to permanently deleting your Instagram account step by step. So first, you just have to open or launch your Instagram application. Click your profile, and at the top right corner, you will see these three lines. You need to click this one, and you will see here Account Center, and that is under your account. So what you're going to do is to click this. Now scroll down. Under account settings, you need to click this personal details. After you tap this personal details, you have to click this account ownership and control. It will proceed you to account ownership and control, and you have to click this deactivation or deletion. Next, you have to tap your account to confirm that it's you who wants to delete your account here on Instagram. So you have two options here, deactivate account or delete account. So as you know, if you delete your account, you will have to delete everything here, including your photos and videos. So if you're okay with that, then click the second option and then tap continue. Now, Instagram will ask you the reason why you're leaving or deleting your account. You just have to choose from any of the given options here. For the meantime, or for this tutorial, I'm going to click this privacy concerns and then click continue. Now you can also answer the following here, or you can just skip this one and proceed to tap this continue button. After that, you have to enter your password again to confirm that it's you who want to delete your account. And here you are on the final step, and that is to confirm permanent account deletion. So if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on this given date. So you won't be visible. And if you want to log in, you can log in anytime before April 26, 2024. But if you want to delete the account, then all you have to do is to click this delete account. And that's how you permanently delete your account here on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.